In today's video, we're gonna talk about colors and emotions. In the first part, I've already discussed about color theory. So please do check out that video as well. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who's also a fashion designer, proud daughter of two superheroes. My channel Design Buddy has come up with free online fashion designing course. Please enroll yourself into the course. You'll get the form link in the description box below. If you're watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notifications. My channel Design Buddy come up with fashion designing and fashion designing course. So you'll get to learn about fashion designing with each videos. So after watching colors part 1, now we'll talk about basically these are warm colors and these are cool colors. Now we'll talk about colors with emotions. How colors depicts emotions. That is very important because with different colors we show different emotions. For example, if we see black is a dark color and it creates a very negative impact. On the other hand, red is a color of vitality, blood and love. So basically there are 8 types of emotions which are anger, anticipation, joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness and disgust. We'll see in the Phuket color wheel how different colors shows these emotions. Opposite emotions lies opposite in the wheel, like anger and fear, anticipation and surprise, joy and sadness, trust and disgust. Similar emotions lies adjacent to each other, like trust plus fear is submission, fear and surprise is awe, surprise and sadness is disapproval. Sadness and disgust is remorse. Disgust and anger is contempt. Anger and anticipation is aggressiveness. Anticipation and joy is optimism. Joy and trust is love. Each and every color has a basic, mild and extreme version. For example, the color red. The basic version depicts anger. The mild version depicts annoyance. And the extreme version depicts rage. The next color we'll talk about, orange. The basic color depicts anticipation, the mild color depicts interest, and the extreme color depicts vigilance. Yellow. The basic color depicts joy, the mild color depicts serenity, and the extreme color depicts ecstasy. The next color is light green or yellowish green. The basic color depicts trust, the mild color depicts acceptance and the extreme color depicts admiration. Green. The basic color depicts fear, the mild color depicts apprehension and the extreme color depicts terror. The next color we're gonna talk about is turquoise blue or yellowish blue. The basic color depicts surprise, the mild color depicts distraction and the extreme color depicts amazement. The next color we're gonna talk about is
bluish purple.
The basic color depicts sadness, the mild color depicts pensiveness and the extreme color depicts grief. The next color we're gonna talk about is
purple.
The basic color depicts disgust, the mild color depicts boredom and the extreme color depicts loathing. After knowing this field, let us talk about different colors in more detail, like what is the meaning of the colors. Let us start with the color yellow. Yellow stands for happiness and energy, but also jealousy, betrayal, illness and danger. The next color we're gonna talk about is blue. Blue is a cool and calming color that shows creativity and intelligence. It is also a color that symbolizes loyalty, strength, responsibility, trust. As we all know that we relate blue color with water and sky. so it also depicts water and sky. The next color we're gonna talk about is orange. Orange combines the energy of red and happiness of yellow. It stands for joy, energy and joy of life. It is usually associated with passion and strength. The next color we're gonna talk about is pink. The color pink represents caring and love. Pink color stands for unconditional love and sweetness. Pink is made by combining white and red. It has the energy of red and passion of white. The next color we're gonna talk about is green. Green is the color of environment, nature. The green color is created by mixing yellow and blue. So it combines the power of blue and yellow. It represents growth, nature, freshness, money, fertility. Green is most resentful to the eyes and it is very pleasing. The next color we are talking about is red. The red is the color of fire and blood, aggression, danger, violence and war. On the other hand, it represents love and desire. Red is a very emotionally intense color. It enhances human metabolism, increases respiration rate, raises blood pressure. The next color we are going to talk about is purple. It represents royalty, power, luxury. As we all know that purple is a combination of red and blue. The word purples come from a Latin word purpura. The color purple is rare in nature. It symbolizes creativity, peace, pride, mystery, independence and magic. The next color we are talking about is brown. Brown is the color of earth, wood. Brown color is associated with fall and winter. Also brown represents wholesomeness, earthiness. While it might be considered a little dull, it represents steadfastness, simplicity, friendliness and health. The next color we are going to talk about is black. Black is the absence of all color. It is a bit mysterious color. Like you have to use the color black very effectively. It is usually used to represent negativeness. The color black represents strength, mystery, seriousness, power, depth, evil and aggression. There is much mystery connected to the color black. Black hides things and absorbs other colors. So usually people prefer to wear black when there is a bit of extra fat. It is also a very important color to make the other colors stand out. The next color we are talking about is gold. Gold is a color of success and achievement. Also gold represents richness, showing wisdom of life and understanding. The color gold is a cousin to the yellow color and the brown, and it is associated with love, compassion, courage, passion and magic. The next color we're gonna talk about is white. White is presence of all color. Color white depicts innocence and peace. It also depicts purity and goodness. It also depicts light and perfection. It shows successful beginning. In most Western cultures, the brides wear white. In human eye, white is a bright color which creates headache sometimes. In a situation of high light, the white color can be blinding sometimes. The next color we're going to talk about is grey. Grey is a combination of black and white. Grey represents emotionless, moody, that is associated with the adjectives like dull, dirty and dingy. The grey color affects the mind and the body by causing unsettling feelings. So as we come to the end of this video, I hope you know what color means and which color depicts what emotion. The next video will talk about textures. We actually put a lot of effort in creating these videos. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you know that somebody is going to be benefited out of our video, please share to them. And if you have any suggestion for us, please drop in the description box below. Your suggestion is very important to us. And we promise you that we'll incorporate your suggestion and come up with new and improved videos every time. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Until then, goodbye.